Hi students, in this session we will discuss spring tide and neap tide. In the last video, we discussed about the position of moon, first quarter of the moon, then the full moon, third quarter of the moon, then new moon. All these four positions of moon we discussed. Now let's discuss that how these positions of moon, changes in the position of moon, affect the level of the ocean water, affect the tides on the earth. Hi children, in the last class we discussed about the full moon and new moon. Now let us see this, how this full moon and new moon day means there occur spring tide. There are mainly two types of tides occur in a month. Okay, spring tide. Spring tide occurs twice in a month, and neap tide. Neap tide also occurs twice in a month. Now let's see what is spring tide. There mainly the position of sun, earth and moon in a straight line is responsible for the occurrence of spring tide. How does this straight position of these three heavenly bodies, sun, moon and earth, causes the spring tide? Let us discuss. Now you see, now all the sun, earth, moon is in the straight line. Here also sun, moon and earth is in the straight line. Okay, so when these three heavenly bodies, it can be in the straight line either in the conjunction of sun and moon. Here where is the conjunction of sun and moon? Here sun and moon come together. Okay, they have made a yukti. So conjunction, this is called conjunction of sun and moon, they have come together. Now you see the sun and moon in the opposite direction. Now when the earth comes in the middle, sun and moon in the opposite direction. But in the conjunction and also in the both opposite direction of sun and moon, what happens? These three heavenly bodies are coming to a straight line. So since they are coming to a straight line, what happens? Moon and sun can exert a combined gravitational pull. They exert a combined gravitational pull on the ocean water of the earth. Combined gravitational force. So how does this combined gravitational force? Why? Because sun, moon and earth comes to the straight line. Sun and moon can exert a combined gravitational force on the ocean water. Understood? So that what happens? What changes happen in the ocean water? Because of that, because you see, because of the combined gravitational force, and you see gravitational pull of the moon is much more than the other days, much more than the normal days. So that what happen? High tide will be higher than the normal high tide, then low tide will be lower than the normal high tide. Is it clear? You see, what is that? What is spring tide? On full moon day and new moon day, the sun, earth and moon comes into the straight line, so that sun and moon exert a combined gravitational force on the earth, so that high tide will be higher than the normal high tide and low tide will be lower than the normal low tide. So this particular phenomenon is known as spring tide. So when does this spring tide occur? Spring tide occur twice in a month. Which are the day? Full moon day and new moon day. Understood that? So next we see this, what is neap tide. So when we look at the neap tide, you know the position of the sun, moon and the earth. You see this, suppose this is the sun. Sun is here. Earth is here. Now imagine this is moon. Then what happens? This is in the first quarter. Okay. When it is in the first quarter, moon is in the first quarter, what happens? It makes a right angle. moon makes a, let's make a right angle. Moon and sun make a right angle. So that what happens? There causes a, what is that? Sun's gravitational force work on the opposite direction of the gravitational force of the moon. Understood? Opposite direction. Sun's gravitational force work on the opposite direction of the gravitational force of the moon. So that what happens? The gravitational force of the moon is reduced. It is reduced than the normal days. Okay. For that reason, what happens here? So here what happens is that high tide will be lower than the normal high tide. Low tide will be higher than the normal high tide. Understood? So when the moon is in the first quarter and the last quarter, it happens in the last quarter also. When the moon comes to this position, we can call, when the moon comes to this position, we can call it as third quarter. Third quarter or last quarter. Okay, both are same. So it is third quarter. Okay. When the moon is in the first quarter and the third quarter, what happens? The sun's gravitational force work work against of the gravitational force of the moon, so that moon's gravitational force is minimized. So that reason high tide will be lower than the normal high tide and low tide will be higher than the normal high tide. Is it clear? So once again I will write and show you this. Spring tide. What is spring tide? Spring tide is that spring tide. Let's see, define what is spring tide. Spring tide happens on full moon day and new moon day. So what happens on full moon day and new moon day? When the sun, moon and the earth are in the straight line, sun and moon exert a combined gravitational force on the earth, so that high tide will be higher. High tide will be higher and low tide will be lower. Understood? This phenomenon is called what? Spring tide. Now let's see what is neap tide. Neap tide is that, let us discuss the phenomenon neap tide. What is neap tide? Neap tide is that when the moon is in the first quarter and the third quarter, what happens? High tide will be lower and low tide will be higher. Understood? So you understand the difference is that. What is the difference between so this is called neap tide. Okay. Now what is the difference between high tide and so spring tide and neap tide? Spring tide means what is that? Spring tide is, how can we define? Spring tide means what? High tide will be higher than the normal high tide and low tide will be lower than the normal low tide. Otherwise we can say high tide will be higher and low tide will be lower. Then on neap tide, what is this? Neap tide means what? Neap tide is that high tide is lower and low tide is higher, just opposite. So now you understood. It is easy to remember. Okay. Now spring tide occur on full moon day and new moon day, and neap tide occur when the moon is in the first quarter and second quarter. Clear? So okay, I'll discuss this fact once again, yes, the position of moon with the help of a video, like see here.
If you're on the part of the earth facing.
Now see here, high tide is even the earth is, see, first high tide, then after 6 hour low tide, next 6 hour high tide, then another 6 hour again low tide. So like that it continues. So every place there experience 2 high tide and 2 low tide in a day. Okay, so you see, this is a new moon day and this is a full moon day. Both the day, both these 3 heavenly bodies are coming into the straight line. So maximum tidal range, maximum combined gravitational force, maximum tidal range. Now you see tidal range is minimized. Why? Because of the less gravitational force of the moon. Okay, spring tide maximum gravitational force of the moon, and neap tide minimum gravitational force of the moon. So that minimum tidal range. Clear? I hope this point is very clear to you all. So this is what. So now we go through the lesson here. Yeah, here in the textbook this diagram is given. Now the diagram is very clear to you. Yes, new moon and full moon is given here in the diagram. Then first quarter and second quarter. Now let us see this different. Yes, we read from that page. Here you see what is spring tide and neap tide. It's very clearly given here, you children. Please read out so that you will understand what is spring tide, and here it is given what is neap tide. Okay, so you have to read out the point which we have discussed. That is what here mentioned in this paragraph. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in online class, or else you can call me, or give a message in the WhatsApp. Here you see, this is what the time of tide. Time of tide means what? Always the time of tide. Suppose in a particular place, if the tide occur, suppose you see, this is the earth and moon is here, and point A is facing the moon. So in this place 8 AM the tide occur. So after 12 hour again the next tide occur, but it will not take place at 8 AM only. Sometimes it will take about 8:26. Then the next day after 12 hours it will take place at 8:26. Why? The reason is that, what is the reason for this variation here? The reason is that this happens, you have to underline this. This happens due to the fact that the moon is revolving around the earth in the same direction as the earth rotation from west to east. So why this changes in the tides occurring in a particular place? Suppose in a place today at 8 AM, then the same place next day 8:26, the same place again after the 12 hour 8:52. Sorry, this is 8:52 should be 8:52. So like that, how does it happens? The reason is that both the sun and the moon, both the earth and the sun, both the earth and moon, not the sun, moon, both are not stationary, isn't it? Moon is revolving around the earth. Okay, moon is moving, the earth and moon both are rotating, and they are moving in the direction from west to east, and moon is also moving from west to east. Okay, because of this reason, what happens, that is the reason that there is a time variation in the tides of a place that occur. Is it clear? So here also see the last line is there. Here what is mentioning is that if the moon had been stationary, each place of the Earth's surface would have come under it exactly after 24 hours and would have experienced the next high tide after the lapse of 12 hours. Understood? If the moon was stationary, suppose today 8 a.m., next day also 8 a.m., then another day also 8 a.m. Means always it would have taken place at the same time only. But it never happens. Okay. Children, do you think that we people who are living in Jharkhand is experiencing high tide and low tide? No, we cannot experience high tide and low tide because we are not living near the coastal region. So people who are living coastal region like Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Andhra Pradesh, that means people who are only living in the coastal region, those people can experience this high tide and low tide. Understood? So I hope the point is very clear. Now read the lesson and I'll be sending the study material very soon.